But nowadays they are sending me SMSs and writing all the short forms, take care for TC and all those things. So it depends upon the individual.
The spoken word involves all the senses dramatically. Though highly literate people tend to speak as connectedly and casually as possible. In speech, we tend to react to each situation that occurs, reacting in tone, in gesture, even to our own act of speaking. But writing tends to be a kind of separate or specialist act in which there is little opportunity or call for reaction. The literate man or society develops the tremendous power of acting in any matter, with considerable detachment from the feelings or emotional involvement that a non literate man or society would experience. The written word spells out in sequence which is quick and implicit in the spoken word.
One media, you are trying to put your problem into another media, work it there, and bring it back, the result back into your media. So suppose my thing is I have a small problem like a father's age is this, son's age is this. We have no for children of class 9 and 10 we put such problems. Father's age is twice the age of his first son and thrice the age of his second son and such and such and such, and then what is his age. So this whole thing he will have to work out. Okay, suppose you want to do it in computer, then you will have to work it in a certain way. You can't just write as you write the sum. So what is it? You are trying to get this done through this 0-1 computation. So to try to put it directly into 0 and 1 is very difficult. But still some people do that. That is called machine language program. So when you do machine language program, basically what is a computer? Now, modern computer, electronic computer, it is a set of circuits. Each circuit is going to do a certain work. So when you run the circuits in certain orders, it will give you certain results. So your program is just trying to run the computer circuits in a order in which it will solve your problem. So, but if you do it in machine language, which previously many people used to do when actually the computers came into existence, that you have to go into great details. Actually, you are going away from your problem. You are going into machine instructions, and then you have to write the program. It is a bit tedious. Many people would not come into computers if you had only machine language. So then later they replaced machine language with what is called assembly language, in which all these 0-1 configurations were replaced with English words which would be familiar to us. For example, I will say load 5 into X.
Henry Bergson lived and wrote in a tradition of thought in which it was and is considered the language as a human technology that has impaired and diminished the values of the collective unconsciousness. It is the extension of man in speech that enables the intellect to detach itself from the vastly wider reality. Language does for intelligence what the wheel does for the feet and the body. It enables them to move from thing to thing. His collective consciousness or intuitive awareness is diminished by this technical extension of consciousness that is speech. If the human ear can be compared to the radio receiver, it is able to decode electromagnetic waves and recode them as sound. The human voice